The USS Theodore Roosevelt, a Nimitz-class aircraft carrier, stands as a symbol of American naval might. This colossal vessel, stretching over 1,000 feet in length, is a floating fortress designed to project power and maintain peace across the globe. Christened in 1984 and commissioned in 1986, the Roosevelt embodies the spirit of its namesake, President Theodore Roosevelt, a fervent advocate for American naval power. His vision of a strong navy is realized in this formidable ship, which has served the nation for decades. The ship's motto, "Ready on Arrival," reflects its commitment to projecting American strength across the globe. This readiness is not just a slogan, but a way of life for the crew, who train rigorously to ensure they can respond to any situation at a moment's notice. The Roosevelt is the fourth ship in the Nimitz-class, a series of 10 nuclear-powered aircraft carriers that form the backbone of the United States Navy. These carriers are the epitome of naval engineering, each one a floating airbase capable of supporting extensive military operations. These carriers are marvels of engineering, capable of launching and recovering aircraft around the clock, in any weather and anywhere in the world. Their ability to operate in the harshest conditions ensures that the United States can maintain a constant presence in critical regions. They represent a potent symbol of American military strength and a testament to the nation's technological prowess. The advanced systems on board, from radar to weapons, showcase the cutting-edge technology that keeps the Roosevelt at the forefront of naval warfare. The Roosevelt, like its sister ships, is a floating city, home to thousands of sailors and Marines. These men and women live and work on the ship for months at a time, forming a tight-knit community dedicated to their mission. It boasts a flight deck larger than 3 football fields, capable of accommodating nearly 90 aircraft. This expansive deck allows for a wide range of operations, from launching fighter jets to conducting humanitarian missions. Below deck, a labyrinth of passageways and compartments houses the ship's propulsion systems, weapons systems, and living spaces for the crew. This intricate network is the heart of the ship, ensuring it runs smoothly and efficiently. From the moment it was conceived, the USS Theodore Roosevelt was destined for greatness. Its construction was a monumental task, involving thousands of workers and countless hours of labor. It would become a key player in a changing world, responding to crises and safeguarding American interests on the high seas. Whether in combat or humanitarian efforts, the Roosevelt stands ready to serve, embodying the enduring strength and resilience of the United States Navy. The USS Theodore Roosevelt's path to the fleet was not without its challenges. Initially, the ship's construction faced cancellation due to budgetary constraints and shifting political winds. However, strong support from Congress and the Navy's unwavering belief in the importance of aircraft carriers ensured the project continued. The ship's keel was laid in 1981 at the Newport Shipbuilding and Dry Dock Company in Virginia. This marked the beginning of a long and complex construction process, one that would employ thousands of skilled workers and utilize cutting-edge shipbuilding techniques. The Roosevelt's construction coincided with a period of significant technological advancement in naval engineering. The ship incorporated numerous improvements over its predecessors, including upgraded radar systems, enhanced communication capabilities, and a more robust defensive suite. Despite facing budgetary hurdles and technical challenges, the USS Theodore Roosevelt overcame these obstacles to become a reality. Its construction stood as a testament to American determination and the enduring importance of a strong navy. The USS Theodore Roosevelt was built using a modular construction technique, a revolutionary approach to shipbuilding at the time. This method involved constructing the ship in separate sections or modules, each outfitted with its own systems and equipment. These modules were then lifted into place and welded together, forming the complete hull. This approach offered numerous advantages over traditional shipbuilding methods, including reduced construction time, improved efficiency, and greater flexibility in design and modifications. Modular construction allowed for greater specialization of labor, with different teams focusing on specific areas of the ship. This resulted in higher quality workmanship and a faster overall construction timeline. Additionally, the modular approach allowed for easier future upgrades and modifications, as individual sections could be more readily accessed and replaced. The successful implementation of modular construction on the USS Theodore Roosevelt marked a significant milestone in naval engineering. This innovative technique not only expedited the carrier's completion, but also paved the way for more efficient and cost-effective shipbuilding practices in the future. Section 4. Trial by Fire. The Gulf War and Operation Provide Comfort. The USS Theodore Roosevelt's maiden deployment in 1988 took it to the Mediterranean Sea, where it participated in various exercises and operations, showcasing its capabilities to allies and potential adversaries alike. This deployment was a significant milestone, as it allowed the crew to hone their skills and demonstrate the ship's advanced technology and firepower. The presence of the Roosevelt in the Mediterranean served as a powerful deterrent and a symbol of American naval strength. However, the true test of the ship and its crew came just a few years later, with the outbreak of the Gulf War in 1991. The sudden escalation of conflict in the Middle East required a rapid and decisive response from the United States and its allies. In response to Iraq's invasion of Kuwait, the Roosevelt, along with other elements of the US Navy, was dispatched to the Persian Gulf as part of Operation Desert Shield and later Operation Desert Storm. This deployment was critical in establishing a strong naval presence in the region and ensuring the security of vital shipping lanes. The carrier's air wing played a crucial role in the coalition's air campaign, flying thousands of sorties against Iraqi targets. These missions were essential in gaining air superiority and disrupting enemy operations on the ground. The Roosevelt's aircraft struck key Iraqi military installations, command and control centers, and supply lines, significantly degrading the enemy's ability to wage war. The precision and effectiveness of these airstrikes were a testament to the skill and dedication of the pilots and support crews. The carrier's pilots and crew worked tirelessly, often operating under extremely challenging conditions, to ensure the success of the mission. Their efforts were instrumental in achieving the coalition's objectives and bringing the conflict to a swift conclusion. Following the liberation of Kuwait, the Roosevelt continued to operate in the region, participating in Operation Provide Comfort, a humanitarian mission to protect Kurdish refugees in northern Iraq. This operation highlighted the carrier's ability to adapt to different types of missions, from combat to humanitarian assistance. The carrier's aircraft enforced no-fly zones and provided air cover for relief efforts, demonstrating the versatility and compassion of the US Navy. The success of Operation Provide Comfort underscored the importance of naval power in both wartime and peacetime operations, showcasing the Roosevelt's enduring legacy. Section 5. Maintaining Peace, Operations, Southern Watch, and Deliberate Force. Throughout the 1990s, the USS Theodore Roosevelt remained a vital instrument of American foreign policy, deploying to various hotspots around the globe. The carrier's strategic importance was underscored by its frequent deployments, showcasing American military might and readiness to respond to international crises. In 1993, the carrier participated in Operation Southern Watch, enforcing the no-fly zone over southern Iraq and monitoring Iraqi compliance with UN resolutions. This operation was crucial in maintaining the balance of power in the region and preventing further escalation of conflict. During this deployment, the Roosevelt's aircraft conducted numerous patrols and reconnaissance missions, deterring Iraqi aggression and ensuring the safety of coalition forces in the region. These missions were essential in gathering intelligence and providing real-time updates to command centers. The carrier's presence served as a constant reminder of American resolve and commitment to regional stability. Its strategic positioning in the Persian Gulf was a deterrent to potential aggressors and a reassurance to allies. In 1995, the Roosevelt played a pivotal role in Operation Deliberate Force, a NATO bombing campaign against Bosnian Serb forces. This operation was a significant effort to halt the atrocities occurring in the region and to push for a peaceful resolution. The carrier's aircraft struck enemy positions, artillery emplacements, and communication networks, contributing to the eventual Dayton Agreement and the end of the Bosnian War. These precise and strategic strikes were instrumental in weakening the enemy's capabilities and forcing them to the negotiating table. The Roosevelt's actions in Operation Southern Watch and Deliberate Force demonstrated the carrier's ability to adapt to diverse operational environments and execute a wide range of missions, from enforcing no-fly zones to supporting peace agreements. Its versatility and effectiveness in various theaters of operation underscored its value as a key asset in the US Navy's arsenal.